Hey, electrical contractor, right now, stop. Think about the most incredible tool that you use in your hand to do electrical work. One of my favorite is my Southwire strippers. These things are absolutely amazing. Super incredible tool. Love them to death. Another thing I can think of is one of my amazing Vito Pro Packs. What an incredible tool as an electrician. Well, here's the funny part. Every single one of the tools that you just mentioned is absolutely useless unless something is bid on and something is sold. Because if you don't bid correctly or know where your numbers are, and you don't know how to sell it, present it, and close the sale, you're left with nothing. I want to help you create something, build something, teach something, and grow something. I'm going to teach you all my tips and tricks on estimating, giving those bids, and then selling those bids. If you want to be a part of that, all you got to do is click this link below or head over to www.the360electrician.com and sign up for my webinar this coming Saturday, March 28th, 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. It's all online. You don't have to go anywhere, no hotel, no flight, just straight up information from the #1 social media channel for electricians to become electrical contractors and electrical contractors to level up the 360 Electrician. Click those links and get the information. Nobody else is going to give it to you unless it's being regurgitated and they're just trying to resell it. That's a bunch of junk.